how to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can enable Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to enable Bitcoin on Cash App, what happens is that Bitcoin option might not be available to you by default like mine. Now that is because you can only trade and buy Bitcoin as long as you have verified your Cash App account. So you will be asked to verify whenever you try to purchase the Bitcoin, just like in this case. You can see it asks me to verify my phone number along with my legal details. Otherwise, what happens over here is that if you want to add cash as well, whenever you try to add a cash, let's say, you have to first verify your details. So it says please verify your identity to continue using Cash App. So once you tap and continue, make sure you enter your phone number. You need to enter your legal details. You need to have either your driver's license, passport, or your national citizenship ID in order to be able to verify with your social security number and so on to continue using Cash App. Then only you'll be able to enable the Bitcoin option. This way you'll be able to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.